Greetings from Muskoka's beautiful lake country, north of Toronto, Canada. My name is Kathy Wylie, and my passion is applique. My online classes are a combination of recorded video lessons, group discussion and Q&A, and independent activity. Access to the videos is available between sessions and for a limited time after the class, along with a chat room for ongoing questions and discussion. The Birth Flower Applique class is the perfect companion to the Birth Flower Block of the Month patterns, where you will get all the information you need to make the birth flower block of your choice. You will learn how to choose fabrics for your birth flower block and how to prepare your fabrics for 3 applique methods: needle turn, applique, and fusible applique, how to prepare the background fabric, and how to sew the applique shapes. We will study the hand applique stitch. We'll explore 4 machine stitches that can be used to mimic the hand applique stitch, and we'll also talk about the blanket stitch, which is a beautiful way to cover the unturned edges of fusible applique. In the Mastering Applique class, you will learn how to use the innovative applique tools to prepare turned edge applique quickly and easily. If you have always wanted to learn turned edge applique or struggled with it in the past, this class is for you. Find out how to prepare applique shapes the applique way, how to use the applique rods to turn the fabric edges, and how to sew your applique prepared shapes with the hand applique stitch or a machine applique stitch. Paper cut applique is a technique similar to making paper snowflakes. Remember how much fun we had making paper snowflakes when we were kids? We would fold a piece of paper, cut out some shapes, and then unfold it to discover the beautiful design we had created. I rediscovered that joy decades later when I realized that these paper snowflakes would make great quilt blocks. I have made at least 40 paper cut applique designs and over a dozen quilts, written a book about it, and it is now my very great pleasure to bring this Snowflakes class to you online. You will learn 5 ways to fold paper to create different snowflake effects, how to design your own paper cut blocks, how to make a pattern for your snowflake design, 6 sewing options, 8 ways to add special effects, and how to pair your snowflakes with patchwork. And more applique technique classes are on the way. Watch these pre-recorded lessons from the comfort of your own home. View the demonstrations as if they were right in front of you. Turn up or turn down the volume. Rewind, watch it again. No packing, unpacking, or forgetting something at home. Online classes have many benefits. For more information, please visit my website at kathykylie.com or find me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or YouTube. I look forward to meeting you soon.